Live stream na pa, hindi pa. Alright, we're live. You can start the proceedings already.
Will you please raise your right hand? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth before this honorable commission?
Yes, sir.
Will you please state your name, address, and other personal circumstances?
Romulo. I live in 1980 Street, Valle Verde 2, Pasig City. I am a member of Congress.
Witness now is under oath and ready to testify, Your Honors. Witness may now put their hand. Sir, the Commission notes that you have sworn to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this proceeding. And therefore, please note that this hearing will be recorded both in audio and video. By proceeding, you understand that anything and everything that you say here can and could be used as evidence by this Commission in the pursuit of its functions under Executive Order 94, which includes the use of the recording, transcripts, affidavits, and documents in this hearing as evidence in any court or legal proceeding. Do you consent to the recording?
Yes, sir.
Do you also consent that we live stream this hearing or subsequently air it on a later date on television and other forms of mass media, including social media, in accordance with the ICI live streaming guidelines?
I request that an executive session be conducted and that it not be released on social media or TV.
What are your grounds for requesting for an executive session?
Could I ask my lawyer to respond?
Yes. For the record, what is the name of the good counsel and your position?
Yes, good morning, Your Honors. Yes, good morning, Your Honors. Attorney Erica Migrinio, respectfully appearing as counsel for the good Congressman Romulo. Your Honors, please, we would like to request for an executive session for today on the ground that the disclosure of the information that will be provided by the good congressman at this point would potentially put the life and safety of an individual, particularly the good congressman's life and safety, in danger, Your Honors. Considering the nature of today's session and inquiry, the live stream of these proceedings, Your Honors, could be misused by members of the public to malign the reputation of the good congressman and would create an environment that would not favor an impartial deliberation on the matter at hand, Your Honors. And to prevent, Your Honors, the potential harm to the reputation and life of the good congressman, Your Honors, considering that once the session is live streamed, the good congressman would have no control over how the information will then be used by the public, Your Honors. And on these grounds, Your Honors, we would like to request for an executive session for today. Thank you, Your Honors.
Do you consent to distribute copies of your sworn statements and other exhibits to the public and other forms of mass media, including social media?
With respect to the affidavit that will be required, I have no problem because that's a public document anyway.
Do you confirm that you submitted to the Commission a letter requesting an executive session?
In fact, I did not submit any letter. I voluntarily appeared here, and the reason for that actually is first, the House members with the Speaker had decided that this is the best venue for us to be able to air our side. And personally, a couple of months ago, an ILBO was issued against me. And this ILBO is being misused and abused by many people. So hopefully this false and malicious allegations could help clear my name, my reputation, and in fact, maybe clear what this ILBO is all about. Because maybe lawyers understand what an ILBO is, but if you look through social media, it's really misused, abused. So that's it.
Thank you. You may now be seated.
Considering the reason stated by the Honorable Romulo, Congressman, 1st District, we will call for a recess and go into executive session.